Assistant General Manager ke Administration Department ke company Star Cement Siddharth Banerjee ong bagi company ke lapan krea na sidang igi plan gumno banti emotion hakurkom ko ba pikir ba ban penjot ya kemariang bagi kenjajing imbaro nomar ba kepar banti emotion ka jingai kumba 4 kilometer na kanarpu wildlife sanctuary hakajing kran sikilat prai kubor hakapratri risau ajala pusau hajing gis ngapai ba hasinong Brishyrnot Eastern Hills Banerjee rakam mahakajing sengapai ba layo iya jing Kyrshan Sithem Naduh Dohnud jong ginong song sinong ka Brishyrnot bat kisinong bamalajan nam takan igi project ka Star Cement laong bagi dondu gi bumla banwan si kajing sengapai ba Henry Kila ai ka city bagi Kyrshan ka company haka cukup pol ong ba kidon tang uwe ni arngut ki balapan pau ka jing sengau persya bat paru ya ka jing sengau kia ya kemaring ulapan pau bagi company kalong ba pikir ha ya kemarin berganti ya motion katkum ki kendon yang kaan haka juga paul ong baga ke company katkum ki jingete sekolah bat kasinong kan bu school ya ki kena kasinong kan sinas rock kan I boarding ki bus school kan I kam I jam bat kumju haki lat jing sumar bat kiwe la ong baga paul motion banti kajingai naka iku sensitive zone ni ki jaka badon jing ma ya ki jaka sa ki merat kat kum binyi te sekolah berkasinong ke company kan ti motion kan ba ka dangkwa tang ba ka hab ban pentmai man ka sansnem.
Today the public hearing was conducted by the Pollution Control Board and chaired by the Additional Deputy Commissioner of East Jhantial District, and we have seen the people support and the support from the entire village, nearby village, and we have seen the support from the all the people from the Ilaka also, and we are very thankful to the understanding this project of this 65 hectare mining of limestone and shell, and they have completely support from all of their heart, and this hearing has been successfully completed. Along with that, many people which they were not able to come in this public hearing, they have given their support by their letters, by the written consent, which has been submitted to the Pollution Control Board, as well as the copy has been also submitted to Deputy Commissioner of East Jhantial District. Opposition was there today, and by one or two opposition was there. They were having their grievances about the environment and about the river. But technically, if we understand the consent which has been given by all the authorized, from the government authorities, has been well predefined and everything clearly mentioned, and the clearance is already there. So I think so that people should understand the actual things and the facts and figures, and that they should be. Of course, we are also committed and we are also very much serious about the environment, and we ensure and we know that how to do the mining, and all the minings are legal, and that's why we know the mining mining plan and everything is there, which we are following and adhering. We have the agreement with the village that we are doing even though we are doing many development apart from the agreement also. Construction of the village internal road, providing street lights, solar lights, and providing school buses, and education, free education to the village children, along with the books, and of course the employment is also there, and we are providing them the employment. Health facilities also we have providing ambulances, and many more things that we are doing apart from the CSR department. The concept that this is a closure to the wildlife sanctuary, actually it is that a circle has been made, which has been given the mining plan. If you see the mining plan, eco-sensitive zone is being clearly defined by the forest, and that the minimum criteria which is there, and we are that is far more away from the eco and wildlife sanctuary, and it's far from the eco-sensitive zone. Apart from the eco-sensitive zone, there are the criteria that which can be done. Some are the criteria, works are there that can be done, like plantations, mining, and everything. And inside the eco-sensitive zone also, there are many projects are there that we can do, that plantation, but not of the destruction nearby the wildlife sanctuary. actually from the wildlife sanctuary to the eco-sensitive zone and to our mining area. It's more than 1 kilometer. More than 1 kilometer. It's approx 1.2 kilometers. And it's and even though we have the criteria in the mining plan, we have to leave some area for the local development and all, and then we have to do the mining, which is clearly defined in the mining plan and which has been published in the pollution control. For long till that we are doing the mining as well as, but then also this renewal of the agreement is for the 5 years, and after the 5 years we will definitely keep on doing more and more, adding on more and more for the benefit of the village.